welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is 5 o'clock on, what's today, Wednesday. I took a half day today because I had some extra vacation to use before the end of the year. I am taking off the last 2 weeks of the year, but I also had a half day to use. So I just took the afternoon off and like did some shopping and just did some errands. But I'm actually wrapping my Christmas presents right now, and I wanted to show you something that I'm doing. So I'm doing mostly gift bags this year. This is one of my favorite bags. This is so cute. I love this. If any of my family is watching, stop watching because I want it to be a surprise. I'm not going to show what I got, but I'm going to show how I'm wrapping it. So obviously it's in the gift bag already, but I made these little ornaments and put everybody's name on them, and then I'm going to attach them to the gift bag. So here's this one. So I'm just going to attach that to the gift bag with some ribbon, and then it's like a gift tag, but then it can also be an ornament if they want to keep it. So this one is for Steven. That one's cute. I messed up this one. I accidentally messed up the E in Steven. I wasn't paying attention, so I don't know if I'm going to use that one yet or not. So I made another one. That one turned out really cute. And then made this one for Steven's sister. So I love how that looks. So I'm just gonna get some tulle. I usually just get my tulle at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna wrap it at the top and then attach the ornament to the tulle, so that way it hangs down, and when they see it, it just looks cute. So I'm gonna do that real quick. That way I'm just all set for Christmas. I get these little ornaments at Michael's. I actually got them last year. I would recommend, they're still cheap. I mean, it's $1.99 per ornament, but I got these 90% off last year. So I think I paid like 20 cents or whatever it was for each of these. Get them like in January, like maybe like middle of January. And these are so cheap. So that's what I would recommend doing. I just grabbed a few of them, just like $1's worth of them, and then you're all set for next year. So I thought that was so sweet, a nice little DIY. So that's how it turned out. I just tied the bow around it and then looped this in. So I think that looks so cute. I love it. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas of what you do for your gift wrap. I would love to know. I think wrapping gifts is so fun. I feel like sometimes like using a gift bag can feel like the easy way out, but I feel like you still can make it super cute and personalized with little gift tags and stuff. So I'm excited to have this all out of the way, like super early. This isn't the only gift. I have a few more to do, but I'm probably not going to vlog that. Here's like my whole little setup right here I have to do. How cute is this gift bag? I love this one. It says Mary. And then this one is so cute too. It says gnome peeking. Isn't that adorable? I love that. This ottoman in here, I don't know if I've ever shown you guys this, but this used to be in my living room until I replaced it. But this one I like a lot because it's good storage. And I used to keep blankets in it when it was in the living room, but now I keep all of my gift wrap and extra cards and stationery, things like that. So I just always have paper ready to go. I try to get gift bags. I'll save gift bags like if it's like they're still in like perfect condition. Otherwise, usually after a holiday, I'll go to the store and get them all on clearance. I try not to pay full price for gift wrap if possible. And then I also have just like a big stash of cards just for any type of occasion. So baby cards, birthday cards, get well cards, sympathy cards, you name it, I have a card for it. So, and then I also keep cards. This is my little, I don't keep every single card, but I do keep ones that somebody wrote something, or if it's a picture, I'll keep it. So I keep that in there. And then just other little scrapbooky type of things. So yeah, I'm not sure where this is gonna go in the house that we're moving to, I don't think there's going to be space for it, so we might have to get rid of this, and I'll have to figure out something else for all of my supplies. I'll probably just have to either put it in like a plastic bin or a closet or something. I'll have to figure it out. But I'm going to wrap this stuff up really fast, and then I'm just going to keep it in here until Christmas.